Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp status audio overlapping problem in iPhone. Follow this easy and step-by-step guide to solve this problem. The first solution is you have to close WhatsApp from your background. So all you have to need open recents and close WhatsApp app from recents, and then go ahead and relaunch your WhatsApp. Go to status and then check the overlapping problem solved or not. If didn't solve, then follow the second steps. In second steps, we will check for WhatsApp update. So go to your app store and search for WhatsApp. And if you see any new update available, all you have to need update the latest version of WhatsApp Messenger and then check the status audio overlapping problem solved or not. And the third solution is you have to give a simple restart to your iPhone. So give a simple restart and then check the error. And the last and final solution is uninstall your WhatsApp app and reinstall it. Sometime reinstalling WhatsApp app can fix this kind of glitches. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.